Hi, good morning. My name is Matt Lopez. I'm the owner of Matthew Lopez Law. I work 7 days a week, nonstop. Today I'm shooting this just very quick video. It's on a Saturday. I'm working here. And the reason why I wanted to shoot it is because it's summertime in Lake Havasu and it's got to be a record heat. Everyone's going to the river, everyone's having fun, everyone's going to the clubs and the bars, and whether it's BJ's or the office or whatever, they're having a good time. They're trying to cool off. They're letting loose. They're blowing off steam from all winter long. And now that the weather's nice, they're getting to it. I wanted to shoot this video because to let you know, especially for my clients that are coming from California, Lake Havasu is the strictest court in the entire state of Arizona when it comes to all offenses. Do not be fooled that you're coming from a liberal state and you're coming to a liberal, or you're going to a liberal town or a liberal city in Lake Havasu. It's anything but. Havasu may seem like the perfect party setup, it's a perfect party playground, but I'm letting you know if you're arrested in Lake Havasu, the judge is extremely difficult to work with. The prosecutors are difficult to work with. They will throw the book at you. They don't care that if you're out of state and it's inconvenient for you to come back to Lake Havasu. They don't care if you've never been arrested before or you own a business. Most of my clients, especially the ones from California, are contractors. They own their own businesses. They're here with their nice boats and maybe they got a vacation house or they're doing an Airbnb. They don't care about any of that. If you go in this alone, excuse my language, you are going to be royally screwed. I've got a better word for it. It's the F word, but I'm not going to say the F word for this video, but screwed. Okay. I've been practicing law in Lake Havasu since 2010. I know the ins and the outs. I've handled more, as far as I know, more Lake Havasu cases than any other private law firm in the state of Arizona during this period of time. And so, whether you've been arrested for a DUI, you've been arrested for a boating DUI, we do a lot of domestic violence cases, whatever it may be, don't make the mistake of not hiring a lawyer. Call us immediately. Let me walk you through the process. The other thing about Lake Havasu is the court moves fast. Unlike a lot of the other courts where we can stretch these things out for 6 months or 4 months or sometimes even a little bit longer, Lake Havasu, the case is getting resolved in about 30 to 60 days at the very, very latest. So you better have your ducks in a row. If you're calling somebody out of who has their primary office out of Phoenix and just takes a periodic Lake Havasu case, you're making a mistake too. If they don't understand the Lake Havasu court system, you may as well just burn your money because it's not going to work. It's a completely different animal. So I mean this when I say it. I will help you if given the opportunity to help you, but we got to move fast on the case. If you're watching this video, it's more than likely because you've been arrested or your family's been arrested or your brother or your husband or wife or relative, whatever it may be. Pass along our number, 602-980-1987. Just as I'm shooting this video on the weekend, I work nonstop. We're always going to be available. We're always going to have a lawyer on call to speak with you about the case and how we can best help and how we can get the ball rolling. You are not going to be you're going to be pleased with the outcome that we provide you. I promise you that. So you're not going to be displeased. We're going to make sure that you're treated fair, that you're treated like family, you're getting a good outcome for your case, and that we're going to provide extremely exceptional customer service for you. So again, my name is Matt Lopez. I'm the owner of the office. Call us directly at 602-980-1987.